Get out of that. That's what the dogs chewed up. Leave it alone. Where'd your kitty? Are you getting your mama, Ginger? Get her, Adrian. Bunny. Oh, Adrian. Ginger. Adrian. Stupid ass cat. Just can't resist.
I ain't got nothing.
Hey!
Got nothing.
She's like, she's nosing you.
Fucking weak old pizza crust. I don't want that shit. It'll hurt you.
There's something in that bowl up there you could give her. Look at her. She just goes right down to get beat up.
You love your baby, huh? She's like your twin.
She's just red. Ginger, come on. You made me have to get off your